if they want to address, so let me start with the review petition and what is the error apparent on face of record. I'll address before this honorable court. They can put up their defense later on. What I'm submitting is what I'm submitting. Just a second. Just आप बोल सकते हैं. ये आप बोल सकते हैं. मैं बता रही हूँ. प्रीव्यू में क्या है? Grounds. And it is delayed by 17 days. So if they want to file a reply to it, then thereafter it can be. But still, if he insists or if your lordship says so, I'll argue the matter. There is no problem at all. This petition was decided without calling for reply from the IQ. And if I can just point out to your lordship the dates, the petition was filed on 22nd of February.
Without council appearance. Council appearance.
Whatever is in the writ petition, that all have been considered by your lordship in para number 25 to 28 and 31. And none of the ground which they say that reply was not filed or opportunity of reply was not given. So 14 months they have taken,
Just a second.
but they are not.
Just a second.
Just a minute.
Just
Till 14 months they have avoided to file the reply, and every ground which they wanted to raise or which they have raised in the writ petition has been considered by the
क्या direction?
let's see. Then let's
Wants
see.
to the committee will decide the.
Sir, let me address your lordship. If he
that we are ready to pay the higher price. So this honorable court has just ordered that a committee, if they only decide the committee, they only.
It is not a case of just decision. It is not a case of just decision. Now we have completed, I suppose so. Now let me start, sir. This petition was filed on 22nd of February 2023. The notices were issued on 2nd of March 2023. The Wakalatnama was filed on 16th of March 2023. And then there was no listing of this case. Then this case was listed on 16/5/2024. Listed form. Therefore, there was an application filed by them for final disposal. This application was filed on 14/5/2024. On 16/5 it is listed, and on thereafter it has been decided. If your lordship sees the date of order of this honorable court, it is 16th of May 2024. Just a second. If he wants to argue, he can interrupt. Let him complete and then I'll speak. If he wants to do so, let him do it. But this is not the matter. This is not the case. If somebody is arguing, let me put forth my argument. You have the ample opportunity to put up your arguments and it's okay. Now, sir, this on 14/5/2024, there is an application filed for final disposal of the petition, and then on 16/5/2024,
Even both the parties agreed to hear the matter.
nothing
Who
on the
appeared?
record, nothing on the record to say
Who
that
appeared on behalf of the IDA.
there was
That is the issue.
There was a counsel here, but my lord, there is nothing on record to show that he gave concession.
The nature of order which we passed.
Then let us see the order.
Agreed.
Let's see the order. If there is an agreement, I will bow down to your lordship. There is no such agreement in the whole order which says that he has. He may have.
कि हमने ऐसा नहीं करते कि काउंसिल मना कर रहा है और हमने सुन लिया
मान रही हूँ आपकी बात. वो उन्होंने रिव्यू में आए हैं. आप अगर हम ऑर्डर की बात करते हैं तो ऑर्डर को भी देख लेते हैं सर.
सब एक रिव्यू का ग्राउंड बताइए.
बिल्कुल ग्राउंड बता दिया मैं आपको. पहले तो बेयर में ग्राउंड बता देती हूँ. दिस प्लॉट इज 7 CV on 7.
Please tell us what has some everything is on record.
वही बता रही हूँ.
We want to know.
Yes, from
The statement was made by the council. You are not the council at that time.
council member.
He came and he was ready to. मैंने आगे लगाया.
आगे सर आगे रखने के लिए ready था सर. लेकिन
You didn't ask for time. आइए सीधी आइए. What is the purpose of filing of that आइए?
final disposal of the petition.
On what basis? Not on merits.
On the basis of a opinion. On the basis of an opinion. Now let us see the order. If your lordship permits me, I'll read out to your lordship how this order has been carved out. If your lordship sees, this petition has been filed for plot number 7CB, and this plot is situated on survey number 555. And this was not brought before the knowledge of this honorable court. Now this survey number 555 is the subject matter of litigation in WP which has been filed by one.
Please come to page 2 of the order.
Lordship, kindly consider this.
Under what, you want to know under what circumstances this order came to be passed.
Sir,
उसके बाद आगे बढ़ेंगे.
I cannot comment on the circumstances.
Hmm.
I only can come up with the record. The record says that an application for final disposal was filed on 14/5/2024 and then on 16/5/2024 without any people waiting for the reply from the IDA on merits of.
Filed order notice was issued, Vakaratnama was filed, however, no reply has been filed by the respondent, nor there was any prayer made asking for time to file the reply. IA number so and so application for disposal of the
Taken up.
petition.
It's taken.
Limited relief is taken into consideration.
Just see the limited relief what they have craved. And if your lordship sees, this plot is situated at 7CB, survey number 555, which is part of the list which is pending before this honorable court. A4 is the order passed in the case of Meghna Grand Nirman, where there is a status quo. Now, this fact had to be brought before the knowledge of this honorable court, because the list of scheme number 140 is pending between the landowners and the IDA. That is acquisition proceedings. और ये लोग जो आए हैं वो they have come up under a tender proceedings जो IDA ने land acquire की थी, उसका 20% का issue already pending है. Now it is in Supreme Court and there is a status quo order. Now let us see the order. If your lordship sees the order itself, lordships, I will submit before your lordship before even causing any kind of prejudice to the other side that they have misled this honorable court into passing the order, thereby saying that we have come up with a limited relief. Now let us see the order which your lordship has passed. Lordship will kindly.
But admittedly, this petitioner is the highest bidder.
Sir, highest bidder भी होगा तो he has to have an allotment in his favor. And there has to be a decision. It is admitted position between the parties that there is no decision in this.
लिखा है ना सर, सब लिखा है ऑर्डर में, पूरा लिखा है.
लेकिन इसके बाद आपका डायरेक्शन देखिए क्या है. पेज नंबर 28, पैराग्राफ नंबर 28 देखें आपने.
आप ये बिल फाइनलाइज इसलिए नहीं कर रहे थे कि रेट बढ़ चुके थे.
सर,
इन्होंने रिजर्व प्राइस से 75% ऊपर दिया आपको.
रेट बढ़.
उसके बाद भी हमने कहा कि नहीं, कमेटी फॉर्म करो,
सर,
जो भी आज की मार्केट वैल्यू है तैयार है.
My lord, ये तब पॉसिबल है once there is such kind of prescription provided under the statute. ये नहीं है कि कहीं से भी जाके एक कमेटी फॉर्म करो और जाके बिट एक्सेप्ट करो. This cannot be a direction can be passed in 226 because it is nowhere provided under the biennium. Had it been a case that it has been provided under the biennium, then this could have been, this kind of direction would have sustained. Now, lordship, we kindly have a look at paragraph number 28. लास्ट पैराग्राफ अगर आप देखें, आपने ये कहा है कि ये स्पेशल लीव पिटिशन जो है इसमें ऐसा कोई भी ऑर्डर पास नहीं हुआ है जिसमें से लैंड ओनर्स को स्टेटस को मेंटेन करने का कहा हो. तो लास्ट में आपने जो लिखा है योर लॉर्डशिप्स डायरेक्शन, thus it can be held that the property in issue pending before the honorable appeals court is different than the subject plot of the present case. Now this is a finding, lords, which is without any reply. जब we have come up with in the review saying
There is no finding, we have not decided on merits.
lordship has said so. आपने देखिए पैराग्राफ नंबर 28 में यही कहा है. आपने कहा है कि दिस सब्जेक्ट लैंड इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द लिस्ट व्हिच इज देयर इन द सुप्रीम कोर्ट. सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जो लिस्ट पेंडिंग है और इवन हाई कोर्ट में एक मेघना ग्रैंड निर्माण का केस पेंडिंग है और वो WP नंबर है
सेम है, सेम लैंड है.
सेम लैंड सर, और लैंड ओनर के साथ में है वो तो 2239 ऑफ 2008 और उसमें स्टेटस का क्या ऑर्डर से एक मिनट चाहिए, एक मिनट. नहीं नहीं
We are respecting the
नो,
process.
अगर हम मिसलीड कर रहे थे तो आप मुझे 340 को जल्दी कराएंगे ना.
I will do that, but for a moment, Lordship will hear me. Lordship, what you want to say?
Not
Once more, is the subject matter of a petition before?
Yes.
You read para 28.
Yes,
please.
we'll read paragraph 28. Special leave petitions before the Honorable Supreme Court of India is pending against the order passed in WA number 229 of 2008, wherein the Honorable Supreme Court of India, wide order dated 1/5/2023, had directed the statement that the statement made on behalf of the respondent, which has been acted upon, will continue till the next date of hearing. There is no order of stay passed by the Honorable Apex Court, or the orders passed in SLP number such and such, having diary number such and such available on the website of the Honorable Court, has been perused, and this court could not find any order of stay regarding the auction of plot pursuant to the advertisement number 221 of dated 7.
इस ऑक्शन के चलते कोई स्टे है?
नहीं सर, सर यही
नहीं नहीं, एक मिनट,
हाँ,
एडवर्टीजमेंट नंबर 221 में यही जमीन है?
यही जमीन है।
नहीं बताइए कहाँ है एडवर्टीजमेंट?
एडवर्टीजमेंट तो फाइल नहीं किया, हम फाइल कर देते हैं एडवर्टीजमेंट नंबर और सर्वे नंबर है सर। सर इसमें आप ये समझे, ये 3 कॉर्नर फाइल।
एडवर्टीजमेंट नंबर so and so और with respect to the subject plot of the present petition.
हाँ सर, एक मिनट।
So this court does not find any impediment in adjudication of the present petition.
Yes. And apart from this, respondents themselves have put an application in writ appeal number 229 of 2008 on 17/10/2018 against which the SLP is pending.
फिर आपने apart from this respondents मतलब आप
Yes, we filed.
themselves have moved an application in writ appeal number so and so,
I'm not shying away from saying
हाँ.
that we did not file. So, Lordship,
which implies that the subject plot is different than the plots or property under adjudication in the SLP.
subject plot is different also, which implies this is your finding, sir.
The same facts can be inferred from the board.
Without there being any reply on yours. Lordship में consider कि लैंड ओनर के साथ में
Legal opinion so and so
उसमें
from
20% जमीन अंडर द आवास नीति।
then आपका legal opinion एडवोकेट जनरल ने लीगल ओपिनियन भी दे दिया।
opinion दिया है ना, उसी के जैसे और भी पिटिशंस यहाँ कोर्ट में आ गई हैं जिसमें all entire tender process of 2018 has been cancelled. This is the order, madams. And
Will you please show us the property is the same, one and the same?
Yes.
बताइए कैसे?
सर वो आप मेघना का रिकॉर्ड दिला दीजिए, उसमें है मेघना।
ये रिकॉर्ड में दिखाया है, आपने रिव्यू के साथ क्यों नहीं फाइल किया?
Sir,
To demonstrate that this is the same property,
This is the same.
please show us from the review petition.
Each time I will file it. I will file
Why don't you file then?
because when
To what basis will you file?
I have stated on oath, sir. I have stated on oath. And Lordship can call me when I
इसके साथ देखिए जब पिटिशन फाइल होती है तो अपने ग्राउंड रेस कर रहे हैं उसके सपोर्ट में डॉक्यूमेंट लगते हैं। आपने क्या किया?
ये petition-
इसमें लगाया नहीं और बस मेरे स्टेटमेंट
हमने
देते इसको।
हमने WP
पैरा 28 की फाइंडिंग अगर रॉन्ग है आपके हिसाब से तो उसके डॉक्यूमेंट लगा देते आप सिंपल। एडमिट होगा कि अभी रिव्यू कर देता है।
WP number 2239 of 2008 is pending where there is a status quo. If I may read the order of status quo, Lordship can consider this. Lordship केस ऐसा है कि इस
नहीं आपने डॉक्यूमेंट तो भी लगाया नहीं है।
आप पूरा रिकॉर्ड बुला दें। मैं
हम क्यों रिकॉर्ड? अरे भाई आपका केस है, आपका रिव्यू है, यू आर द पिटिशनर, इट इज फॉर यू टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट बेसिक थिंग्स इन द केस एट द टाइम ऑफ एडमिशन।
this
इसके बाद में रिकॉर्ड बनाया जाता है।
sir this
If we find this is something order, wrong in the order.
then I'll submit that this petition will be placed even in the second round. I'll call for the entire record. हम ले आते हैं उसमें क्या है?
Just for a moment, Lordship, my dear. What they are arguing before your Lordship.
और दूसरा इसमें
Status quo is with respect to 20% of land which was passed in 2008.
हाँ
20% लैंड आपने रिजर्व कर दी और जो बची भी 80% लैंड थी, उस 80% लैंड में से आपने ऑप्शन करा 2018 में।
लेकिन-
तो स्टे बाबा 2008 में था।
लेकिन
क्या आपने 50 का प्रयोग किया? स्टे ऑर्डर के बाद आपने
नहीं आप बिल्कुल
चलो ठीक है बस हम
नहीं करते।
प्रत्येक पास appropriate orders. Yes, next.
One more submission. Let me continue.
Law.
Now, my lord, इस WP में एक तो मेघना गृह निर्माण का केस हो गया, दूसरा अगर आप पैराग्राफ नंबर 29 देखिए, आपने
सिंपल सी बात है, अगर डॉक्यूमेंट लगा देते तो काम हो जाता आपका।
दूसरा
अब आप यू वांट अस टू ऑर्डर एवरीथिंग
लॉर्डशिप
मतलब
now
कहाँ-
consider your lordship's own order at
मेघना ग्राम की बात कहाँ लिखी है आपने रिव्यू में?
रिव्यू में लिखा है A4 का डॉक्यूमेंट लगाया है मैंने A4 that the plot in question is part of survey number 555 which is the land in question in respect of the list pending before this honorable court in the matter of Meghna Kradenmark and is an admitted proposal pending here finally. Even the honorable court wide order dated 12/4/2008 has ordered to maintain status quo in respect of the plots forming part of 20% of the area on the acquired land. Copy of the order sheet is annexed so and so. Then now other thing which I want to place before your lordship is that 2018 में सही है हमने ऑक्शन किया लेकिन हमने इवन रिट अपील्स
फिर आपने क्यों ऑप्शन किया 2018 में जब स्टेटस पे था?
स्टेटस को इसके बाद हुआ ऑक्शन 2018 में हुआ कोर्ट ने स्टेटस को दिया वो आप देखें रिट अपील्स में वो ऑर्डर भी लगा हुआ है रिट अपील्स में कोर्ट ने स्टेटस को मेंटेन किया और हमने
आपने कहा ना 2008 में स्टेटस को दिया।
दूसरी चीज
स्टेटस को की डेट क्या है?
स्टेटस
2008
नहीं, ये तो मेघना में, ये
हाँ।
मेघना में। और जो
अगर मेरा में लैंड आपका कहना है लैंड सेम है
हाँ।
तो इसको ऑक्शन नहीं कर सकते फिर 2018 में।
सर मेरी बात सुनिए, साथ में जब 29 की रिट अपील पेंडिंग है, उसमें जब हमने ये टेंडर प्रोसेस फाइनलाइज करना स्टार्ट किया, तो फिर से ऑल द पिटिशनर्स केम बिफोर दिस ऑनरेबल कोर्ट इन द डिवीजन बेंच पास द ऑर्डर ऑफ स्टेटस को। वी फाइल्ड एन एप्लीकेशन फॉर रिमूवल ऑफ स्टेटस को, for removal of the status quo in respect of this tender process. The court did not decide, and ultimately the list was decided finally, wherein the Supreme Court on the averment and the undertaking made by the ASG has said that the status quo in respect of the all lands is to be obeyed, and that status quo is still pending. Now let us see your lordship's order at paragraph number 31 जिसकी आप बात कर रहे हैं, उसको भी देख लें.
Status quo is for both the parties.
Yes, both the parties.
तो वहाँ
We did not act upon the entire tender process even after the opinion of the Advocate General.
अरे टेंडर प्रोसेस आप करेंगे, ये हाईएस्ट बिडर है 75% ऊपर दे रहा है आपको।
नहीं सर, क्यों सर, उसमें ऐसा लॉ नहीं है ना सर. चल एक मिनट देख लीजिए आप पैराग्राफ नंबर 31 देखिए. Resultantly, without going into the merits of the case, your lordship has said so. Resultantly, without going into the merits of the case, to maintain equity between the parties in the interest of justice and looking to the limited relief sought by the petitioner was declared to be the highest bidder in the said bid, which is still pending for its finalization. Okay? This petition is disposed of with the direction that the respondent shall constitute a price fixation committee for the subject plot 7CP. Scheme number 140 Indore, and such committee shall determine the price for the subject plot in a rational and pragmatic manner, and the same shall be communicated to the petitioner. It is needless to say that the price fixation committee should adopt a proper legal mechanism. In any case, foundation for determination of such price should be reasoned, logical, and the same would not be done in an arbitrary or biased manner. This exercise shall be accomplished as expeditiously as possible within a period of 4 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Once the price and schedule of payment are communicated to the petitioner shall act upon the same within a period of 2 weeks from the date of communication made by the respondent. And if the petitioner accepts the terms of the respondent, then the allotment letter of the subject lot will be issued. Now, once your lordship says that we are not commenting on the merit of the matter, then price fixation वगैरह तो it is only a question of simple mathematics कि इतने रुपए में देना कितने रुपए में देना, जबकि फाइनल
हमने तो कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं दी कि फाइनल कर दो।
सर यही डायरेक्शन है, तभी तो अलॉटमेंट। और साथ में अगर उस पूरा टेंडर प्रोसेस को देखें तो बाय वे ऑफ रेजोल्यूशन डेटेड 19/6/2020
What is the reason for not finalizing the bid? Please explain. What is the reason for not finalizing the bid?
this is the reason. Please, this is the reason.
क्या होता है कि कई सालों साल बिड फाइनलाइज होती नहीं है, कीमत लग जाती है, फिर आप बोलते हैं कि कीमत बढ़ गई।
सर देखिए, इट इज अ पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी।
पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी वेरी मच राइट, लीगल मैनर।
लीगल मैनर
आपके वो टेंडर डॉक्यूमेंट जो है ना,
यस,
उसके मुताबिक कितने दिन में फाइनलाइज करना है
सर
आपको?
वो 90 दिन में फाइनलाइज। पिटिशन तो वैसे भी 90 दिन के बाद आई है, इनकी पिटिशन पहले नहीं आई है।
ठीक है ना, वी कंसीडर इट।
और ये एंटायर एक्टिंग, एक मिनट जस्ट पहले
2008 से लेकर 2024 तक
just a second, sir. Acting on the opinion given by the AG, the entire tender has been done.
he says that it has to be settled in this prayer.
The entire tender process of 2018 has been cancelled.
Now.
Yes, वो यही है, यही।
Just on the ground of heightened price.
This cannot be one.
Whether have you challenged that cancellation of this?
Because there was an order.
Respect to me.
Because there was an order already passed in his case, and therefore it has not been cancelled. But the entire tender
It is still pending.
process of 2018 has been cancelled, my lord.
अभी recently
Yes.
after the
After the order of
order.
Sports order.
it was cancelled. Or मेरा प्लॉट मेघना निर्माण में है, they are again and again showing the order of FX code in another
that's
case,
it.
just to mislead this.
No, we are not misleading.
We'll just see whether para 28 is correct or not.
It is,
Wrong is spoken in.
I'll say.
Yeah, para five.
तो ये इसके
We'll just find out, we have the record, we'll find out, yes.
इसके लिए मेरे रिप्लाई की जरूरत होगी और एंटायर टेंडर एंटायर जमीनों के लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने स्टे का स्टिल इफ योर लॉर्डशिप
एंटायर जमीन नहीं, जो सब्जेक्ट मैटर है, उतने जमीन का स्टेटस पर रहेगा.
140 में लैंड ओनर्स
We'll just verify once again, we'll just verify, we'll find out the receipt orders also.
for the review.
Yes.